This is going to be today's video review for Friday, April the 22nd, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today in the market we were favoring the bears more so than the bulls. Even though price popped above 86.75, we didn't have control, right? So let's talk a little about what control really is. You can see we've got some very significant levels here today in the market that we've highlighted. But what is control? Because if you're a trader that's new or even experienced, excuse me, we really do need to have one thing that our mind's going to hook into. And our thing is these areas that are painted in yellow. Now we have different charts to the left and to the right with an overlay from higher charts. So essentially you're looking at three charts here by looking only at two. But the way we trade is we always look at the higher chart. In other words, this left chart here is the focus, and we have a higher chart overlay on it. So we need to know where the energy is coming from in order to be able to make trading decisions. You know, we have racing stripes here on the right chart. This is our trade chart, and it's got an overlay from the left chart. But, you know, just because there's a green stripe and a red stripe and a green stripe and a red stripe doesn't mean you take those trades. You have to understand a little bit of theory, and it's a pretty simple amount to digest, which is when we look to trade here on the left chart, this blue circle right here is drawn here for you real time by the software. And that's where we look to take sells. We don't take sells down here. We don't take sells here. We'd only take a sell up here. And what is significant is we're associating in this upper yellow here. This is very, very complex geometry that's being drawn here by the software, simplified by Charles Drummond in 2015 that he used to use in 1960 to trade with his ticker tape. He hand charted all this stuff. It's been simplified. So whenever we trade our upper yellow for a short from the left chart, we have to have something from the higher chart. You can see this white dotted line. This is from the higher chart. So when we retrace back to 84 and we get a red brick or we get a red racing stripe, this is a short signal for us, so we know exactly where we're going to place our stop. This happens all day long, and we also excuse me, give you the morning brew to begin with so that you can understand and have the ability to be selective coming into the trading day with also daily coaching calls. If you're interested in taking your trading business to the next step, to get it off the ground, whatever, send an email to jb@drumenergybands.com. Thanks very much. Hope everybody had a great trading week.